Good evening, I'm Alicia Richards.
And I'm Dennis Owens. Thanks for joining us. The nonprofit CASA has filed a lawsuit against the York County Board of Elections.
Right, CASA says York County violated the Voting Rights Act and wants problems fixed by Election Day, November 8th. Sonica Bargo is here with our top story. Sonica.
Alicia, Dennis, the big question I had is why file this lawsuit now, less than 3 weeks before the election? CASA says they were in conversations with York County. CASA says those weren't productive, and that's when they decided to file. One law firm on the case told me they believe some solutions can be implemented in this short time frame.
Voting in English is difficult.
Maria del Carmen Gutierrez says many Latino voters in York County, specifically Puerto Ricans, struggle with the election process.
This was in English, and I asked for help in Spanish. They do not bring it to me. I decided not to continue voting.
Gutierrez is part of CASA, a nonprofit whose mission is to uplift Latinos. She says she herself has been told,
if you do not know English, you cannot vote.
Gutierrez says York County should provide Spanish language services to voters.
To ask for ballot in Spanish, if to ask for materials in Spanish, if to ask for assistance in Spanish, that's a right.
To fix this, CASA is suing the county for violating Section 4E of the Voting Rights Act. Section 4E reads in part, quote, "No person shall be denied the right to vote in any federal, state, or local election because of his inability to read, write, understand, or interpret any matter in the English language."
Passed to protect the voting rights of American citizens who were educated in Spanish-speaking schools in Puerto Rico.
Julia Chapman works for law firm Deckert LLP, legal counsel on this case. She says while York County provides Spanish services in some precincts, it's not enough.
Section 4E of the Voting Rights Act is examined on a county-wide basis.
Chapman says there are short-term solutions.
Provide Spanish language election information to individuals.
The county's response? In a statement, York County Chief Operations Officer Gregory Monsky says, quote, "York County has engaged in discussions with CASA and Latino Justice over the last several months in an effort to understand their concerns about our election process." The statement continues, "We look forward to defending any claims that might be made in the future and have no ability to comment further about pending litigation." Chapman and Gutierrez have one goal:
to ensure that York County complies with its very clear obligations under 4E, full stop.
That law firm tells me now they wait for the case to be assigned to a judge, and that judge will then schedule the next step. CASA hopes this case will move as quickly as possible. In the studio, Sonica Bargo, ABC 27 News.
Sonica, thanks so much.